Hey guys, next we're going to talk about application of how we're gonna use it and how we're gonna walk a customer through the rental process. So the pull saws are great for when you're doing smaller limbs that are high up in a tree. You can reach up to 16 feet off of this pole, and then plus however tall the customer is will add that extra length as well. One of the major safety concerns that we want to tell the customer is that this should not be used when standing on a ladder or anything else like that. They want to be both feet firmly planted on the ground. These are the two different styles of pull saws. Things to walk over with the customer. In the previous video, we already showed you how to start it, so we won't go over that again. The next thing though is your oil goes in up here at the top. This one you want to use either the steel premium oil for the bar and chain oil, or if it's in the winter, you have to use the blue bar and chain oil. Even the premium will get too thick during the colder times. To extend the pole, this is the older style. You unscrew this little screw up top here, and the pole will then slide out and slide back in. And then you just screw it back in to tighten. On the new style, which is the square tube, you twist the entire tube. Then the tube will come out, and then you twist it back to tighten it down. Again, we want to show the customer when we're renting it out that it will fully extend and retract both when you're checking it out and back in. One of the big issues with these guys, and you have to tell the customer this, is be careful when they're cutting that they don't lose control once they finish the cut and hit a branch below, because that can bend the pole. And a bent pole is not a defect on our part. That would be something that the customer would have to pay for. So we want to give them the heads up and the forewarning to make sure that they don't slap this pole on something else. Also, we've seen it before where customers have them sticking out the window of their car. Make sure that they watch where they're driving and don't bend it that way. The other big safety things that we want to share with them is, of course, they always want to wear the eye protection, and we can recommend that they get some chaps as well to protect themselves. The chaps are a great way in case something were to happen to save your legs. With this, we do send out the 50 to 1 pre-mixed gas. We give them an extra can of gas in case they need. We will provide that. It's a lot better for us to pre-mix it for them than to have them accidentally put in the wrong gas for it. So you guys will be sending out a full tank of gas on the machine, plus a 1 gallon can of gas with them. Other than that, I think that's it.